Hey everyone, welcome back to KF1. Let's build, break, and learn. In today's video, we are starting session 1 of our new project series. Before building our open source remote desktop support server, we first need to prepare the installation media. So in this session, I'll show you how to create a bootable Ubuntu Server USB using Rufus. This USB will be used in the upcoming sessions to install Ubuntu Server and build our remote support environment step by step. So let's begin. Step 1. Download Ubuntu Server. First, open your browser and go to Ubuntu Server download page here. Download the latest Ubuntu Server ISO file. Step 2. Download Rufus. Now we need a tool to create the bootable USB. Open another tab and visit Rufus official website. Download the latest version of Rufus. Rufus is lightweight, fast, and one of the most reliable tools for creating bootable USB drives. Connect any pen drive which is 8 GB or more in size. Open Rufus software which you installed. Also remember, creating a bootable USB will erase all data on the drive, so back up anything important before continuing. Once Rufus opens, select your USB drive under Boot Selection. Click Select. Choose the Ubuntu Server ISO file you downloaded earlier. Rufus will automatically detect most settings. Select MBR. Please do check each one's settings, same like what I'm doing. Press OK and it will start formatting the USB. Project Preview. This is only session 1. In the upcoming videos we'll continue by installing Ubuntu Server, configuring networking, installing Docker, setting up open source remote desktop tools, building a complete self-hosted support environment. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Phase 2. Let's see how we can install Ubuntu. Follow the same steps since we need the same for the final project. If you enjoyed this video and want to follow the complete journey of building powerful open source remote. Welcome back, team. Let's update the Ubuntu server. Type the login password. We are going to install Docker. Benefits of Docker: easy install, single command, easy updates, no dependency problems. Easy restart, recovery. Keeps services isolated. Better for Ubuntu server setups. Let's make Docker automatically start every time Ubuntu boots. Let's check the Docker version, which is installed. Installing Rust Desk Server, which is an open source team viewer like remote connecting software. Let's make folder by pasting the command create compose file. Copy-paste the same as I mentioned in the transcript or command. For saving, Ctrl+X, after that press Y and enter. Let's start Rust Desk since Ubuntu have standalone Docker, not new compose plugin. I forget sudo. This command shows running Docker containers. Let's check the logs of Docker. This lets you use Docker commands without sudo. Once this is done, we need to reboot. Let's check the Docker Compose version. Let's check if container is running. This shows all currently running Docker containers. Let's install Tailscale. Is a secure private networking tool that connects your devices together over the internet as if they are on the same local network. This command starts Tailscale, connects your server to your Tailscale account, generates a login URL. Copy the link once you copy by pressing Ctrl+C. It will get cancelled. Go to the browser, paste the link, and delete the last line and type again the same command and type carefully the last line and press enter. Click Gmail, create an account with existing Gmail, or create a new one for testing. Once logged in, you can copy then100.series your Ubuntu Server IP address. Once you logged in and click Connected, you will see Success message. In Client System, please download Tailscale, install Tailscale, and log in with the same account so that we will get free access. Once installed, always goes to taskbar, click from there and click Login. Run this on your Ubuntu server to get the Rust Desk public key. The Rust Desk key is used for security and encryption. It verifies that your Rust Desk client is connecting to your Rust Desk server and not someone else's server. Open any browser, search Rust Desk, click first link, download Rust Desk, and install. Just click Next. Once install, open the application, go to Network, click ID, add the 100 IP address we copied before. 100 address we copy from Tailscale in both ID server and relay server, and finally the key we copied in the key side. And that's it, you are ready. Do the same in any number of clients. Do not forget Tailscale install, then RustDesk download and install. My first client system is working. Let me know if you have any doubts or errors. I'm always there to help. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the tutorial. Please subscribe and like and comment. All the comments and scripters are in transcript. Just copy paste, it will work. See you in next video.